Pwede bang ipagsabay ang pag-take ng fish oil and ginkgo biloba with isotretinoin intake? The answer po is no and yes. No po, hindi po pwedeng i-take ang fish oil natin kasabay ng isotretinoin dahil ang fish oil, especially if ang source nito ay codfish liver, then nagko-contain po ito ng significant amounts of vitamin A. And alam natin guys na isotretinoin is already a vitamin A derivative. And if you're taking isotretinoin, dapat po i-avoid natin ang supplementation with vitamin A dahil makaka-experience tayo ng increased chance of developing side effects from taking isotretinoin. So since meron pong significant amounts of vitamin A, ang ating mga codfish liver sources ng ating mga fish oil, then we need to avoid this po. So what we can do is to specifically look for supplements that contain omega-3 po na hindi po fish oil ang sources natin. And yung sa ginkgo biloba naman guys, wala naman po siyang vitamin A content. So it should be okay if you take ginkgo biloba supplement along with your isotretinoin as long as it's FDA approved. And also guys, magpaalam po tayo sa ating board certified dermatologist and other doctors na nagmamanage. If ever meron tayong mga metabolic problems or mga sakit guys, kailangan nating mag-consult sa ating doctor bago po tayong mag-decide mag-take ng any form of supplements. Alright guys? So yun, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!